Hello there, family friends. If you're from across the world, Joey Jones is back at the studio. But first, let me say, from a professional drone pilot to a professional truck driver. I know a lot of you seen a couple of my videos of me talking about the drones here, and a lot of you seen my videos of talking about truck driving. Today we're going to talk about drones, and don't go nowhere. I'll see you in a bit. Okay guys, let's get started. First of all, let me say DJI has done a great job building these aircrafts here. I have with me the Phantom 3 Professional and the Phantom 4 Professional, two great quadcopters, and they still are expensive. You know, you can get this one for like maybe refurbished for like $600 or $700. This one for like still is up in $1,000. You know, the Phantom 4 Pro, you're not gonna get it for no $700 or $600. These are delicate aircrafts. You must keep them up to date. Today's video, I want to talk about this aircraft here, which is the Phantom 4 Pro. I did put them away. I really don't like to fly in the winter time because of the humidity and the air, the cold. And then this one they have fans, so pretty much they circulate. So you don't want, I don't want the cold and then the humidity to get in there and then rust the components in there. So that's why I don't fly in the cold when it's foggy, raining. I don't do that. So pretty much I put them away. So now after put them away, then when you take them out, that's when the issues comes. And the issue is that they go out of date. You know, so you have to start from the bottom. So let me show you closely what I'm talking about. Okay, so my quadcopter, I did put it away for quite a while, and everything was out of date. So you have to start, you know, from scratch. You know, you have to update everything. So let me show you exactly what I'm talking about, and get it closer so you can see. Okay, really quick, I have here the DJI, the DJI remote, of course, and this is the iPad Mini 2. You can use the Mini 3, Mini 4. This is the Mini 2, and the first thing that the issue that I was having was that I was getting a black and green screen, and I don't know if you saw one of my videos, which was the DJI Phantom 4 Pro black and green screen, fixed it at 90%, which is that video there. And okay, let me show you. Okay, so what I did was I went to general and then a software update. I did updated my software, and I did have little issues with it because I forgot my passcode. So the passcode, that's important. If you don't have your passcode, you cannot get it to update. So then after I did that, I did the updates. Let me go. So pretty much it's almost there. I mean, it's the blacking. I don't know if you get it, the black and green screen. It comes in from time to time, but I did the updates on everything here. And if we go here to sensors, I did the calibration. I calibrated the MIU, and I calibrated the compass. So everything is up to date, you know. So these quadcopters, when you put them away, they do go out of date. So the firmware, I did the update. So pretty much that got it fixed, and hopefully that'll get the job done. I did a couple of videos there, and let me see if you can see the errors there on the black and green. Okay, it's loading. Can't really see it. Yeah, but it went away. It did went away. So but yeah, you have to update your iPad. You gotta update your remote, and you gotta update your quadcopter as well. Get the latest firmware, and there you go. That's basically what it is. You know, so far so good. I mean, I know the very first video that I did, it was really upsetting. I did deleted it. I should have kept it so you can see what I was talking about. But yeah, so far so good. Everything just went well. and hopefully it'll work out. Well, that's it. Well, hopefully that'll put me back on track and put me back on the sky. It's been a while, I haven't flown, but yeah, just make sure you keep your quadcopter updated. The firmware is updated. You always want to I do it like once a month. You calibrate the gimbal, the gimbal, the camera, the remote, and do the compass, of course, and calibrate the aircraft, of course. Just do the whole thing, you know, just do the whole 9 yards. And of course, make sure your iPad is up to date. And this right here, get a new one. Don't get a used, don't get a $2 one or $5 one. It might work, but get the original one. That'll last longer, and only use it for that. I only remove it from here when I need to update the firmware. But yeah, that's basically what that's it. And hopefully I'll start flying soon. And quick tips for you real quick. I want to show you something here. And before you even buy a quadcopter, you always want to ask, how many times have you flown? And you know how, and I'm gonna show you how. And then it'll tell you. If you go on the screen, you go to general settings, and then you go to where they have the battery there. Then the battery life on the details, you click on it, and then see if you look at that right there, times charge 24. So there you go. This quadcopter here, I charged it 24 times. The battery 24 times. So that's 24 flights at 26 minutes or 27 minutes. Still brand new. Still brand new quadcopter. And they are expensive. And they're still expensive. Okay? So that's all I have for you for today. So don't forget to fly safe, be safe, drive safe. I love y'all. God bless y'all. I'll see you on my next video. See ya.